Hello fellow makers, enthusiasts, and people who just want to see me talk. I'm Jan, and today I made a whole bunch of Benchies to try to prove a hunch. And you know what? I was right. Stick around and I'll tell you all about it. Welcome back. Now, us Ultimaker owners are generally a pretty happy bunch, and for good reason. The Ultimaker 2, the 2 Plus, and the 3 series have all won a host of awards across the board, from Best Printer to Printer of the Year on basically all the major platforms that deal with the 3D printing industry. The machines are reliable, they consistently produce high quality parts. Basically, the only thing I'm missing from my 2 Plus are smart features like filament out detection and power crisis recovery. That being said, we all have a dark secret that we don't like to talk about even amongst ourselves. And it becomes very apparent on the 3D printer benchmarking and calibration tool, the humble 3DBenchies. Most of you will be quite familiar with the 3DBenchies, but for those of you who aren't, it was designed by Swedish company Creative Tools to be a test of calibration and kind of a torture test as well for 3D printers. It looks really simple, but in fact, it's got a lot of angles, it's got a lot of overhangs, it's got a lot of places that really require your printer to be dialed in very well. In general, the Ultimaker excels with any sort of torture test you throw at it, but with the 3DBenchies, there's something just not right. There's these things that people are calling zebra stripes or zebra stripes. Basically, they're striations that go along the sides of the wheelhouse, and they're just not supposed to be there. Now, this has been erroneously attributed to the infill interacting with the wall perimeters, and that's just total BS, and I really wish people would stop repeating it online. Seriously, guys. What it actually has to do with are the physical limits of the Ultimaker. Now, the Ultimaker, like most FDM printers, uses stepper motors to drive all the parts. So the axes, the bed, and so on. And these stepper motors have a limit to the smallest amount of movement that they can do. And here, despite this wall looking like it's a 90-degree wall, it's actually not, it's just off. And there is where the striping comes in. It's where the micro steps just don't manage to make a smooth line. And this is where my hunch comes in. I thought, okay, so printing it in the orientation that it comes in when you first place it on the bed in the slicer gives you these stripes, but what if we turn the angle just a little bit? And that's exactly what I did. I started with the normal one, and I went 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, and 90, just to get the whole gamut. So let's take a quick look at them printing, and then we'll get to the results. And here we are with the results. The first one, you can see, has those striations as normal. Printed at 15 degrees, they're gone. Same thing for 30. Damn, I love that bronze as well. For 45, still gone, looking really nice. Looking at 60, they're gone. Looking at 75, they're gone. And at 90, would you look at that, they're back. So my tip for you guys on your quest to the perfect Benchie is print it at any angle other than 0 or 90. That's all from me and the Benchies for now. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. I'm Jan, this has been Today I Made. Thank you.